What are you writing? What does that say?
That says video 1, video 2, the 3PC, and 4 scribble.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Can you write something for me if I tell you what to write?
No.
Yeah?
No.
Please?
No.
How about I'll give you something if you write what I want you to write?
No.
I'll give you a chocolate. Oh, okay. Okay, so right. I love... Who are you drawing?
I'm drawing Daddy.
Why are you drawing Daddy? That's not what I wanted. You don't get a chocolate for that. Right, I love...
Space.
Space. My mom. Nice!
Now I get the chocolate?
Almost. You gotta write something else. Erase that. One more thing to write. Okay?
Let's see.
One more thing.
No.
This time, you're going to write, I can. Start up here, because it's a big one.
Space.
Can. Poop. On. The. Good job. Pot. What's that say? Pole?
It's P-L.
That's not how you spell pot.
There's a scribble.
Oh, it's a scribble?
Yeah.
Do you think you deserve chocolate?
Yeah.
Okay, so then write, I want my chocolate.
I want my chocolate.
You gotta write it. If you write it down, then I'll get it. Erase it all. Oh, that's the T. Good job. Okay, now erase that and write, I want my chocolate.
I want my chocolate.
Okay, write it down. Want.
Why?
W. A. N. T. My. Chocolate.
How do you spell chocolate?
C-H. O. C. L. A. T. E. And then you have to draw a big Happy Jacks eating chocolate.
There's a chocolate.
That's the chocolate?
Yeah.
Okay, high five.
I'll do a high five.
Yeah. Okay, chocolate time.